There are two species of turtle that nest on the northern beaches of KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa, the loggerhead and the leatherback. These turtles dig their nests and lay a clutch of between 80 to 120 eggs. After 6 to 8 weeks, these little babies emerge from the ground. They make their way down the beach and into the warm Indian Ocean. The current is fast and warm. They're being predated upon at this point by everything that can eat them. They're ingesting microplastics and having a rough start to life. Here on the coastline of the Western Cape in South Africa, we see a hatchling stranding season happening every year. These little turtles wash up with the onshore winds and the winter storms on the beaches, and we have the most incredible rescue network that goes and looks for these turtles, transporting them to our facility in Cape Town. Whilst at the Two Oceans Aquarium Foundation and within the Turtle Conservation Centre, these little turtles get all the love and care they need in order to be able to grow big and strong. Up until now, we haven't known whether that work has been successful. We haven't known what happens to these turtles after release. And it's important for us, again, for the purpose of their conservation, to know where they go. Turtles don't hang out in one country or in one province. They explore the oceans, and so they require us to collaborate in order to protect them.
It's our first work with this population of turtles, and it's our first partnership in Africa with an organization that's interested in these same questions, and so we're thrilled to see this happen.
It's a wonderful opportunity to come to South Africa and share my knowledge with the wonderful people here.
Upwell have relationships with tag manufacturers, and FAU and Professor Wyneken have really perfected the art of sea turtle tagging. And put together, we're all bringing essential components to this exciting project.
We've already assessed the health and the growth of them, so we know we've picked animals that are ready for release.
These tags are helping contribute to the world knowledge about sea turtle biology, right? In one of the most enigmatic periods of a sea turtle's life history. And with that data, we can improve our own models about where turtles are moving in the open ocean. And we can also better understand how turtles might interact with fisheries or other threats that are operating vertically where turtles are diving.
This kind of tagging is unique and it's exciting, because when you get the turtles ready and you put them in the ocean, you're assuming that they're going to go ahead and have a normal life. This gives us the chance to actually find out what is a normal life.
It's not going to give us all the answers immediately. We're going to have to tag many turtles over many years to understand where they go, but it's the beginning. It's also the beginning of relationships that are working so strongly together for the conservation of these turtles.